we take it off. To me, it gives you a crispier cut.
Well, what you doing?
All right.
You don't supposed to get a high recipe like that. I guess we'll let y'all get that one for free, man. Next one, we gonna have to charge y'all. You know, $5.99 plus taxes.
No, $19.95.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah. But wait. There's more. But wait, there's more. Well, let me tell you about this other tip. Good morning, guys. Beautiful morning. We just finished mowing this property right here, which is a weekly, and it is a centipede lawn, and it's been mowed at 2.75 inches, and we are going to mow this. I guess the highest we're going to keep it as is at 3 inches. So this is a full service. Well, not really a full service because we don't treat the lawn. We maintain the plant beds, trim the hedges, and do these little things. So yeah, nice spring morning. Today I have my man Q. We have a few we're gonna knock out. It's currently 8 o'clock. And we are finished with the first one. So yeah, hope everybody's safe out there, man. Make sure you wear your protective gear, wash your hands, do all that good stuff, right? All right, let's move on to the next one. Here's one for you. Do you keep the wheel on your stick edger? Do you keep the wheel on your stick edger? We take ours off. I think it gives us a cleaner look when we edge, when we don't have the wheel on. Just my personal opinion. Let me know in the comments below. You keep the wheel on or you take the wheel off? Now, don't tell me that you only use string trimmer. That's not the question, okay? I know some of y'all get into that typical, you know, trying to figure out which one is better. Do we keep, you know, do we use string trimmer or edge trimmer? I mean, a blade trimmer. That's not what we asking. If you use a blade edger, do you keep the wheel on? That is the question. Let me know in the bottom. Let me see what's the consensus out there. We take it off. To me, it gives you a crispier cut.
Well, what you doing?
All right.
You don't supposed to get a high recipe like that. I guess we'll let y'all get that one for free, man. Next one, we gonna have to charge y'all. You know, $5.99 plus taxes.
No, $19.95.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah. But wait. There's more. But wait, there's more. Well, let me tell you about this other tip. All right, guys, so we did 2 down there. If you guys have been following us for a while, you know we do the one there and the one there. This one, and we just did this one right here. So we're taking them all down, and then we'll start bringing them back up. All right, let me go ahead and blow. Big pine straw installation, 25 bales, long needle pine straw. You see how we tuck it, nice and pretty, all the way around. We have it here and down there too. All right. So now filming this, I missed a little spot right there. So I'm gonna put it back, fix that up. All right. Let me get this straw, fix that little area, and we'll keep it moving. All right, see you in the next one. All right, guys. Hey, so you guys know, we post a lot of videos on our Instagram. So go check us out. Check out my Instagram. We post a lot of videos that we just take. You know, on YouTube you have to edit and do all kind of stuff on it, but you know, on Instagram we're just posting videos, man. Blaze of Grass Lawn Care. Check us out. All right. So this is number 13. Nope, I'm going towards number 14, and it's 11:42. So we're not doing too much today. Today is a light day. I don't know. We probably got three in between, 3 and 5 left. But yeah, I'm heading over to do this mowing, and like again, guys, we can't film a lot because you know people are home. So, but let me go over here and do what we do best. And there's Q.